this part here, if you want half a to root 3 over 2, root 3 over 2 is 0.866a. 0.866a, roughly. So half a is here. Here's half a. Root 3 over 2a is here. Okay. So is between these two lines here. This is the area that you're looking at. Okay. So half a to root 3 over 2a. So in terms of a and pi, use a substitution. So I'm just gonna do it part 2 half a to root 3 over 2a. And after which we're gonna just use fx dx. Okay. Fx is root 1 minus x squared over a squared. This is just half a 1 minus x squared dx. Now you of course use this equation, right? This equation here, because you look at the graph is half to root 3 over 2a is this region. So you're actually using this equation, not this 0. So you can just start integrating using this equation there. It's 5 marks. So let's see how we can just do it. You're given a substitution. X equals to a sine theta. Okay, x equals to a sine theta. Okay, so dx d theta will just be a cosine theta. So we know that dx equals to a cosine theta d theta. Just know that. Then what we're going to do is actually just substitute it in. Now this one, careful. When you substitute in, make sure you change the boundary there. But you don't want to change also can. Later on you change back. So this is 1 minus a sine theta square over a square. Dx is a sine dx is a cosine theta d theta. Okay, some schools will allow you to write this. Like I said before, you will see this in university textbooks one. So A level, I don't think they care. So really just anyway, you're sitting for A level next, right? So nobody cares. It's okay to write one. Here would then be make sure you know that this is half a. So when theta, change the boundary lah. I would suggest changing the boundary, because at this juncture here, you should just follow a set of fixed rule here. This is easier for you. Sine theta. So a sine theta, this will give us sine theta equals to half. So this theta here, sine theta half is actually 30 degrees, right? So sine inverse half, this will be 30 degrees, which is actually just pi over 6. 30 degrees pi over 6. So this is pi over 6. Same thing, change the boundary on top. There's root 3 over 2a, when x is root 3 over 2a, sine theta, then this will just be sine theta equals to root 3 over 2, then theta will just be pi over 3. Okay, 60 degrees. There you go. So that's 60. Just make sure everything is done correctly lah. So from here, this is pi over 6. This is pi over 3. 1 minus sine square theta. A, I bring it out. You can only bring out the constant. Please know that. A is a constant. You can bring it up. Then this will be cosine pi over 6. Pi over 3. This will be cosine. So cosine square root. Then this will be cos square theta. Okay, remember, when you do this integration, this is secondary school stuff already. It's not any H2 math stuff. When cosine theta square reduce its degree to 1, so because you can't integrate cosine square, you can only integrate 8 of the integration expression, which is tangent sine. Whatever you learn in secondary school, you can actually integrate sine, cosine, secant square, and cosecant square. Then the 4 other ones which are from MF26. So remember this 8 this MF26, and then this any of these 8. So of course, you can actually reduce this to a single degree here. So this cosine square is actually just cosine 2a equals to, use this double angle is found in MF26. Okay, so this will be cosine square a is equals to cosine 2a plus 1 over 2. Okay, so this case here, when you're doing this will just be a over 2 . Okay, there you go. So cosine 2 theta will just be a over 2, integrate it with sine 2 theta over 2 plus 1. That will be pi over 3, pi over 6. Key in calculator. Okay. My goodness, this is theta. Okay, then this sine 2 theta to the pi over 2 plus pi over 3 minus of sine pi over 3 over 2 plus pi over 6. Okay, so quick tip here. I don't want to go through. Okay, if you do not know how to do this, the fastest way is just use a calculator. So this is the second quadrant. 2/3 pi is actually second quadrant of sine. It's actually positive, but if you do not know what to do, this is what you do. Just use calculator. Okay, this is sine 2/3 pi times 180. Pi is 180. This is actually root 3 over 2. So you square it. We cube it for what? Okay, square it. This is root 3 over 2. Okay, because you square your answer, you get 3 over 4. So means this value is the root of it. So it's root 3 over 2. So this is root 3 over 4. Sine 60 will be root 3 over 2 as well. Okay. So it happens to cancel off each other. So pi 1/3 minus 1/6 will be 1/6. So this will just be no need to put units too, because square units you can put it's not wrong, but because they never say area, so I'm gonna just find the value.